behind me is the 7-Eleven. I ordered 3 hot dogs. I was expecting the store be a little bit more bigger, but she said that they are rebuilding or something. But in future I will show you other 7-Eleven in Sweden. So I ordered 3 hot dogs and it cost me 118 Swedish kron. With American dollar is almost $12. 3 hot dog and 1 drink. We'll see how is the 7-Eleven hot dog in Sweden taste like. It is too windy here and I am here outside the 7-Eleven. And the difference between 7-Eleven in Sweden and America, when you enter 7-Eleven in US, you have to pass by 3 drug dealers. But here is very clean. Let's try this hot dog. They didn't have a cold drink, so I have to drink it hot. So I put some Swedish sauce. It is sweet. Not bad. I will tell you how I think about Swedish hot dog and American hot dog. I'm gonna compare them for you, but first let me take a bite of the spicy hot dog. Spicy one. Definitely I prefer American hot dog. No. I don't know, but I don't taste. It doesn't taste like hot dog. No. I mean, it's not bad, but American 7-Eleven hot dog is in another level. I am telling you. take a bite of the third hot dog. I don't care it is healthy, it is not delicious as American hot dog. This one was better than spicy one. I don't know what is that, but it's better than the spicy hot dog. Taste is more delicious. Well guys, thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe please. Thank you so much. Next I'm gonna do Subway. Now I'm gonna go and show you inside the store and show you around the store a little bit, so stay tuned. Hey. This is all, right?
Yes.
I was expecting a little bigger, so.
No, we are, but we're building.
Oh, you are building more behind, right?
No, we are just doing it over. A new version. We are a big store. This is just temporary.
Temporary?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a hot dog?
Yes.
Can I please have, can I sit here and eat, or I have to go out? Can I sit somewhere here?
No, we don't.
You don't have a seat?
No, sorry.
Can I have a one spicy?
Yes. El Diablo, it's the spicy one.
Yeah, whatever. Give me 3, so mix it up.
You want different ones?
Different, yes, please.
Anything else?
Okay. So your drink is not cold. Oh, the drink are very warm. I hate warm drink.
What drink do you want?
I never had a warm drink, but I'm gonna try.
Yes, thank you. Anything else?
No, thanks.
Yes, 118. You have them right up there. Yes. Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm going around.
Yeah?
Okay, so
Thank you.
is that good?
No, it hasn't.
Maybe with card, huh?
Yes.
Wait.
So. The receipt?
No, thank you. Actually, I need a receipt. Sorry, I'm sorry. So, do I have to add sauce myself or?
Yes, you have the sauces inside.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to know what I gave you?
Is this mustard, right?
Yes, it's sweet and sour. You have also regular mustard. It's
Sweden.
sweet and sour.
I will try. Oh, okay, thank you. Swedish sauce.
Yes.
Mm. Uh, do I have to carry them with my hand or? If you have something I can sit. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. You too, thank. Ooh, so windy.